Hello and welcome to Crypto Market Monitor. This is Manoj Zara. So cryptocurrency slumped after a brief rebound early Wednesday on risk aversion ahead of the Federal Reserve policy rate meet outcome later today at 11:30 p.m. Bitcoin and Ethereum slumped for the ninth day as investors braced themselves for a 75 basis point hike in interest rates by the US Federal Reserve. Cryptocurrencies yet again mirrored the sell-off in the wider global markets. That's what analysts are saying. We have seen Celsius struggling with liquidity issues, and now there is one more problem, is with the hedge fund Three Arrows Capital could be facing a similar problem, so keep an eye on this news, which is actually a concern in the market as of now. Few analysts believe that the Fed might surprise with a 50 basis point hike, and if they do, the markets will certainly rebound. Standard Chartered, Goldman Sachs and Deutsche Bank sees a 50 basis point hike from here on, while Barclays sees a 75 basis point hike later today. So historically, the US Central Bank, that's what Barclays is saying, that the US Central Bank has avoided surprising markets, but the Fed should want to surprise the markets by being more hawkish than expected, given the magnitude of the upside surprise in the recent inflation data, which is actually a cause of concern in the broader market as well. So Bitcoin, which is down 4% and is trading at $21,308, the coin saw a 30% plunge in the last 7 days. In what could turn out to be the worst and the most damaging crash in the Bitcoin's short history, Bitcoin is now very close to the high which is made in 2017, which was $19,500, which reached at the top of the last bull run, if you remember, in December 2017. Ethereum too fell by 7% and is trading at $1,120, down 37.87% in the last 7 trading sessions. The massive sell-off will be caused by the liquidity of Three Arrows Capital as the top lenders liquidate positions in Ethereum. That's what is actually the cause of concern, and the dominance which Ethereum has lost in the last maybe 7-8 trading sessions. The wallet address marked by the Three Arrows Capital on nascent faces the liquidation risk of $264 million if the ETH prices falls to $1,016. That is actually a crucial level to watch out on this news as well. It is actively repaying the Aave debt. That's what the analysts have already highlighted. The address has sold really around 50,000 Ethereum in the last 24 hours. Broader fall, Ethereum is down, and it actually is a big cause of concern. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was down 4.87% and was trading at 27,254 points. On my left, Binance BNB was trading 5.25% lower at $212. So BNB was one of the few coins, if you remember, that didn't see a sharp plunge as compared with the broader market fall. That's what is triggering the prices lower as far as the market is concerned. So Polygon Matic was down 9.10% and was trading at $0.38. Ripple XRP token traded at $0.3, down by 1.75%. Reason is actually very clear that SEC lawsuit is triggering people to abandon the coin and result in its fall. So Cardano ADA token was seen at $0.47 and was trading at 4.4% lower. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading at $0.05, down by 4.32%. Keep an eye on this reason that Doge now is most wanted coin by the BNB whales as we speak, and as Doge has been entered as an extreme fear zone in the fear and the greed index. Keep an eye on this news. Solana Sol was trading down by 1.83% to trade at $29. Avalanche FX was trading at $15.82, down by 3.88%. So analysts are So market participants believe that as far as Avalanche is concerned, its partnership with Chainlink has costed it over 25%. So although the development is supposed to be a positive trigger for Avalanche, it has been subdued by the broader market's bearish cues that have already wiped out more than $137 billion from the crypto market, and this is the reason why this FX is down. Shiba Inu was also down by 2.42% and traded at a level. Polkadot was down by 1.54% to trade at $7.19. So let's have a technical view from our technical expert, Ayushi Verma. Ayushi, welcome on Crypto TV.
Thank you, Manoj, for having me here. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. So currently, if you look at the current market price, which is trading at 20,900, So again, the price is falling and falling. So there is a clear sell-off in the Bitcoin as well as in the Ethereum cryptocurrencies, and we can see we were even talking about this thing that for the Bitcoin we can see a level of around 20,000, and that level becomes very important level in the recent times. So now we will see that what gonna happen after that, because if the price holds up that level, you might see a little bit upside momentum. If not, you will see more fall in the Bitcoin as well as in Ethereum case. So that also depends, because today we have a very important FOMC meeting, and that the outcome will also will give you a direction about the direction of the cryptocurrencies. So that we will be talking about once we will have the data, or we will when the meeting outcome will be announced. Now if you look at the trend, it's a clear downtrend, and RSI is at 21. 50 EM is at 31,492, and 100 EM is at 34,786. 200 EM is at 38,810. Now support 1 is at 20,000, support 2 is at 17,550, resistance 1 is at 22,600, and resistance 2 is at 25,800. So let's quickly move on to the chart of Bitcoin. Alright, now this is the chart, and if you look at here, so one thing which looks good here, the price I think tested this 20,000 level. Yes, so the low of today's low is somewhere around 20,000 levels, but as of now you can see the price is recovering from the lows, and it's currently trading at around 21,000 or 20,900. So let's see, maybe this is just a small profit booking kind of situation, or maybe something where the people are maybe coming out from the market because of the volatility that can happen later in the day. So that is something you can look for today, and you can see that this is a clear downtrend, and these are the levels. So first level is 20,000. If the price breaks that level, then next level will be 17,550. And same is the case with Ethereum. You can just look at here. So it's currently trading at around 1100, and there is a clear downtrend. RSI is at 21. Now 50 EM is at 2007, 100 EM is at 2370, 200 EM is at 2700, 2700. Also, if you look at the support and resistance levels, so support 1 is at 1215, support 2 is at 900, resistance 1 is at 1510, and resistance 2 is at 1725. Let's quickly see the chart. Alright, so this is the chart, and you can see that the price is just hovering around at this particular level of 1215. Now why I have not changed the levels as of now, because again, because of the same thing, that market is open today, and if the price happens to if the price closes below then this 1215 level, we will definitely change the support and resistance levels, and if not, we don't need to do it. So this is something, the price is just hovering around at this level, and even yesterday also we can see the price made a small dozy kind of formation. That also shows that both parties are there. So maybe you can see after the outcome of today's meeting, the things or the direction will be much clearer to us people. So this is for the Ethereum, and if you look at the index, which is the IC15 index, so you can just get an idea. I think the price there also must have taken a support at around 37,000 something. So let's quickly see the chart here. All right, yes, so at around 20,000, 28,600, that's the current level of this particular index. And if you look at here, you can see that these are the two levels where you can just get an idea about the price momentum. All right, so somewhere around 43,000 and 37,800 or something. Now the price is basically, give me a second. Yes, so the price is basically taking a support at this level and at around 29,000 level. So that's become a support level for the IC15 index, and we will just see where the price can happen. And the 29,000 level, I am just taking that as a support because the price is just hovering around that area only. And however, it's okay, it's slightly below than that, so it's somewhere around 27,000. So what we can do, we can take up a support at 26,750, and the immediate resistance can be taken at 29,000 level. So this is something you can look at for the IC15. And again, this is a combination of top 15 cryptocurrencies. So if the top 15 currencies give you a direction or a movement, you will definitely see a movement here also. So this is something that will move according to the major 15 cryptocurrencies. So I think we have discussed about the Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the IC15 chart. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching us.
Thank you so much, Ayushi, for giving this perspective, technical perspective for our viewers. That's all there is in today's Market Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off. Until then, keep watching Crypto TV for more such interesting insights. Thank you.